Kyle, you're behind barbecue, and today we're making bacon wrapped wings. All right, so we got our fresh cut wings here. We're gonna lay that out. We're gonna grab a strip of bacon. These are the classic cut bacon, not the thick stuff, because you use the thick stuff, the bacon won't cook. Your wings will be done and your bacon's still ready to cook. So I'm gonna start on one end and I'm just gonna wrap all the way around. I'm gonna wrap them. Now you can season the wings before you do this, but you wanna go light or something without a lot of salt content because the bacon's real salty as it is. And if you put too much rub on it, your wings are gonna become real salty. So what I like to do is I like to leave them plain, and then I will season the bacon once we get all of these wrapped. So just start on one end and just go all the way around. They get real stringy like this, that's okay. Just get rid of the extra. Boom, just like that. Set these on the wire rack. Get our little bacon out. That's a nice piece. And then start on one end. And we are going to wrap. Wrap all the way around. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now, where I started, as you can see here, as you can see here, I want that, wherever that ends up, I want that at the bottom. No toothpicks, you don't need anything like that. So, we're gonna start again. Woo-hoo-hoo. We're gonna start on one end. You're gonna wrap. Wrap around. Keep going. If bacon's still long enough, keep going around the wing. Keep going. It's thin enough, it's gonna cook all the way through. Now, I got my GMG, Green Mountain Grill pellet grill. It's set to 300 degrees. She's rolling. I got a wire rack. We're gonna put the wings on. Once I get these wings finished, then we're gonna throw them on. All right, now that the wings are wrapped, I'm gonna season these with our Arizona Cajun rub. It's got a nice spice, nice kick to it. I really like that on wings. So I'm gonna go ahead and season these wings, and then I will flip these over and season the back sides of them. Now for this, you can use any rub you want. I would just stay away from a rub that's too salty, because like I said, the bacon's got a lot of salt in it as well. And if you use a rub that's got a lot of salt in it, then your wings are gonna become too salty and nobody's gonna wanna eat that. So I use the Cajun rub. You can pick this up, you'rebehindbarbecue.com. So I will season these. Boom, they're ready to go. All right, they're on the grill. I'm gonna give these about 30 minutes, and then after the 30 minutes, I'm gonna come check them. I might flip them, I might not. It just depends what the color looks like. So we're gonna let these go 30 minutes, we'll come back and check them out. All right, we're about an hour and 15 in, and that's about 204 there. Bacon's looking good, 195. Okay, so what I like to do from here is, if you like to add barbecue sauce, this is where we'd add our sauce. So I'm using a raspberry chipotle on these wings. So it's been about an hour and 15. We're gonna go ahead and pull these off. We glazed them. Ooh, these look money. Now that they've been resting, glazed, ooh, baby, these look good. Bacon's cooked all the way through. Got me a nice drum here. See how tender it is. These wings are money, man. You guys need to make these. Next time you're having a party, games on, whatever, really impress somebody with these. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.